In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a weighted sit-up. Now, what I've got here is two dumbbells that are going to anchor my feet down. You can, of course, progress to doing weighted sit-ups without the dumbbells, but it's a nice way to get to a new weight to then start getting accustomed to it before then removing these entirely. So with clients, what I'll tend to do is if I'm giving them a new weight for the first time, they pop their feet underneath each dumbbell. They point the feet up just to secure the dumbbell in place. They'll start then doing their sit-ups with their feet underneath the dumbbells anchored down. Then of course, over time, we're looking to get rid of these. And then when they do another new weight, we'll introduce them and then get rid of them again. So hopefully that makes sense. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to place my feet underneath the dumbbells and I'm pointing the feet up to keep those dumbbells where they want to be. From here, the plate is going to go on my chest. I can have my hands over it or I can grip onto the sides of the plate. And what I'm looking to do is have it very close to the chest. I don't want to have the dumbbell away because then that dumbbell can move and assist me during the motion. So in this point, I'm going to start to crunch first, keeping my neck neutral, and I can come straight up from that position. From here, slowly back down, using my core and not gravity, and then again coming up into that crunch and following through with the movement. When I'm coming down, I'm not letting gravity take me down, I'm doing it under my tempo. In terms of breathing, I'd be breathing in on the way up and out on the way down. Once you then get good enough, you can either increase the weight or alternatively you can take away the dumbbells so your feet aren't anchored for a harder version of this exercise. That's how to do a weighted sit-up. Always make sure that your head is neutral. And this is a nice one actually to stop the head coming forward. You see a lot of people with their hands behind their head when they're doing regular sit-ups without a weight and they're snapping their head forward and causing neck pain. So make sure when you're doing it, the head's always neutral, looking forwards, and you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.